stopping by. Thank you so much to each and every new subscriber that has joined us. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my world. So we're almost getting to 1,000. Please, if you haven't subscribed, if you're watching this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Support a sister. This video is all about cook with me. So let's get into it.
Dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you asking why. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started.
At this point, I'm going to fry garlic, and then I'm going to use the oil and the same garlic to make a paste and rub it on our potatoes. Need to be asleep, need to feel a dream, holding on to reach. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head, we fell into my small bed. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath is taken, we were about to make it. We were about to make it, we were about to make it. Hey
guys, so the meat is ready. You can decide to serve it like this, but to add more flavors, I decided to add dhania and onion, then wrap it with a foil and return it back to the oven.